how to update the Mitrade application on your smartphone or your tablets. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you're using Mitrade and want to update the app to the latest version, then firstly, open up Google Play Store for your Android. For your iOS, open up your App Store. Now go to the search button and in the search bar type in Mitrade. Now from the search results, look for the Mitrade application, tap on it, and in the info section, look for the update button if it is available. Once you see the update button, tap on it to download the latest version of the app. If you don't see the update button and you only see the open, it means you are currently running the latest version already. So that's the way how you can easily update the Mitrade app. You can also turn on the auto update by going to the top right corner and tapping on the three dots. Make sure that you've checked this enable auto update option to turn on auto update for the app. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.